everybody, hi there, hope you're well. I just really wanted to share with you today a Slimming World, Syn Free, plant-based alternative to mayonnaise. That's the intention for today. I'm just finishing here in my kitchen for my batch cooking for the day, and I just really wanted to share with you. So what I'm going to do is turn the camera around so you can see what I'm doing down here rather than my face. So yes, I'm hoping if I can angle it properly. How do I do this? There we go. So as the base, I am using plant-based soy alternative Greek yogurt, which obviously I'm finding in Tesco's. So that's a nice easy base for that. That makes it all thick and creamy, and it really is a thick and creamy yogurt. Yeah, you've got a little bit of water on the top, but it's a real thick, creamy yogurt. It is heaven, I have to say. This is one of my go-tos. And it's Syn Free, which is amazing. So I'm just going to plop several spoonfuls of that into here. Now, ideally, mayonnaise is my go-to thing. I love mayonnaise. I love mayonnaise and absolutely everything. So to actually create something that's Syn Free is brilliant. I'm going to do a little bit of black pepper. And these are only suggestions of what you can do. Mustard powder, because obviously mustard powder is Syn Free, whereas regular mustard isn't Syn Free. So yeah, so I try and keep everything as Syn Free as possible. A little shake of smoked paprika. Now you can add your extras in here. You can add your favourite things in here. If you wanted like a garlic mayonnaise, obviously add a little bit more garlic in. I'm going to use garlic granules for this. But yeah, you can add more in. If you're wanting something curryish, you can add curry powder into it as well. I'm adding mixed herbs for something. A little bit of salt. Now I'm using black salt, which is amazing for my liver. But yeah, so a little bit of salt into there. Gosh, if there's anything I missed. Lemon juice. So I squeeze fresh lemon juice into here as well. And that just gives it the tartiness that we're looking for, rather than, although the yogurt isn't sweet, but it has got like a natural, no kind of flavour to it. So I'm just going to add in there as well a couple of spoonfuls of, 2.5 spoonfuls of lemon juice. Then I'm going to blend it. Now I've got a hand blender. Obviously if you haven't got a hand blender, that's fine. You could blend it in something else that you normally blend in, or if you've got a food processor, you can do it in that. If not, a fork or a whisk would also be fine as well. So you just want to whisk it up. And depending how thick or runny you like it, you can add in some more lemon juice. You can add in a little bit of water if it's too lemony for you. And I'm literally just going to stir it up. So as you can see, it's still a mayonnaise consistency. But what you have got right now really is a nice, oh, it's lovely, a nice creamy, savoury sauce to go on your chips, in your ham sandwiches. I do mine with jackfruit in my sandwiches and things. So yes, I hope that helps. Take care for now and catch up soon. Bye.